I usually say when a person goes to tough situations, the character building of a person happens. When a plant grows in tough situation, that's where the plants become from a normal plant to a super plant. Many people think that Seabuckthorn is a trend, it's a fad that is coming up, it's a bubble that is coming up. So many people are talking about Seabuckthorn. Seabuckthorn is happening everywhere. Seabuckthorn is not a trend, it is something which is going to become the part of lifestyle of people for decades and for many years to come up. Why we have kept in glass bottle? Because Seabuckthorn is highly reactive and it reacts with the plastic. Specifically if you are using PET plastic, it reacts with that, and what happens because of that, all those microplastic come into this pulp. So that's something which was meant for health become dangerous for health.
We often hear that we spend our health to earn money, and then we spend our money to regain our health. In the recent study, we've heard and we've seen also that India is really bleeding with health issues. 73 million people are obese and 41 million of kids, yes, the little ones, are suffering with obesity. This is a very, very bad news because we are suffering with a lifestyle disorder. We are in the era of AI, but AI has come up with a boon, but it has also come up with a lot of problems. So, what do we need to do? What is the need of the hour? We need to take care of our health. Wellness is one thing that should be the prime most thing, not just with elders, not just with kids, it's with each of us. And to talk about wellness in the broader perspective, we have the wellness coach. We have somebody who has brought about the storm in the industry. He has been on the Shark platform. He's went uh, with his product, which we would like to know what it is. And he's doing a lot for the society. Now I'm not going to wait much because I know you're waiting to hear about him. He is the co-founder of Wellwith, a very unique name. We would get to know all about what is he doing, why is he here, and how he's reforming the society. Please allow me to welcome Mr. Udit Chawla on the sets of Storymakers. Hi Udit, it's such a great honor to have you with us today on the show.
Thanks, ma'am. And I hope that we will have a wonderful discussion, which will help our viewers a lot to
Yes,
get
absolutely.
insights about those things which they haven't heard before.
I am so sure, and I'm super excited because I'm sharing the stage with one who's been on the Shark platform. It is one of the platforms, and you're on the national platform. You were addressing the sharks with your product. What it is all about? What is that you went with?
Yes, it was a great benchmark that we achieved, that we were recently on Shark Tank platform. Right, we have pitched our thoughts to Mr. Varun Alak, who is the founder of Mamaearth. We have pitched this to Namita Thapar, founder of Amcure Pharmaceutical, Vinita Sugar Cosmetic, Vraj Bahel, who is the founder of Viva Sauces, and Kunal Bahel, who is leading up Titan Capital. So it was a great things for us, a benchmark that has been achieved by our brand Velvet that we have over there, and they have also appreciated the idea that we are building upon. And basically, this idea of Wellwith got started around 7-8 years back over there.
Okay.
Actually, I can say my journey into wellness started around 7-8 years back. Because if I speak about my college days and my college life and my life post my college life, my all habits, behavior, and activities were never healthy. Like they were quite opposite. My behaviors, the behavior that I used to have, because everything is triggered by your behaviors, right? They were the most unhealthy one. My food was most unhealthy thing in my life, but something happened in my life back in 2018 and 19, which came like an alarm, and which made me to shift from ad tech journey to wellness journey. And from there only this brand Wellwith was born, and from there only this journey of this passion of bringing wellness into the mind, habits, and action of the people got started with me, and that journey goes back to 2018 and 19.
Oh, wonderful. So you started at 2018 and you're here at 226, and now we see that you were on the Sharks. Now you went with some idea.
Yes.
What was that idea? What made you to reach there, and how were you received? Were you received well there?
Correct, yes, we were well received. The mission of the Velvet is to identify unique and hidden things of nature which have got scientific backing, but they are yet not identified by the people. Right? Scientific backing is there, but they are not yet identified. Identifying those things, building up the supply chain for the same, and then bringing out the clinically tested form of it,
Okay.
so that the users can get benefit from them in terms of wellness. So this is what Velvet is working upon.
All
And the
right.
first project of Velvet, the first concept on which Velvet is working today, is the concept that is Seabuckthon.
Oh wow,
Right.
wonderful.
So Seabuckthon is the first project, and we got started on this journey of first project, as I told you, back in 2019, when this word got introduced into our life for the first time. First time we came to know what this word SEABUCKTHORN. We started using it, and then we went more deep into this particular researching, then doing a lot of task out into this, which brought us further into this
Okay.
Seabuckthon.
So now that you talked about a berry which is called as the golden berry of the Himalayas.
Yes.
It is the product. You Google it and it's all flooded. You have come up with the product. I'm sure you were received well in the Sharks. Now they tell me, I want to know all about what is Seabuckthon. Why are we talking so much about it?
Many people think that Seabuckthon is a trend, it's a fad that is coming
Yeah.
up, it's a bubble that is coming up. So many people are talking about Seabuckthon. Seabuckthon is happening
Yeah.
everywhere. Seabuckthon is not a trend. It is something which is going to become the part of lifestyle of people for decades and for many years to come up.
Okay.
Like today, we have many plants which are part of our lifestyle. Turmeric, right?
Right.
It is part of our lifestyle now,
Correct,
right?
correct.
In our daily life, we use it along the way.
And it's a very essential herb.
It's a very essential herb. Amla, it's a part of our lifestyle.
Yes, yes.
And there are many fruits which are part of our lifestyle.
Yes.
Pomegranate is a part of our lifestyle. Oranges are a part of our lifestyle. Same is going to happen with Seabuckthon. So pomegranate is not a trend. Amla is not a trend. Turmeric is not a trend.
It's a lifestyle.
It's
Then we
like-
eat it.
We
Yes.
eat it regularly,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
It's like our kitchen essential.
Okay.
So what I strongly believe is Seabuckthon is a kitchen essential for Ladakh. Now the time has came up that Seabuckthon is going to become kitchen essential, not only for the community of Ladakh, but for entire India, and in the coming time with entire globe. Generally, a perception comes this plant would be somewhere nearby sea. Correct?
Yeah, when you hear it, it sounds that it's a sea.
Sea. So perception comes as this is something which is grown by sea.
Yes.
But in Asia Pacific region, this particular plant grows in Trans-Himalayan region. Right?
Okay.
In the belt of Himalayas, specifically in India, it grows in Ladakh. And this is a plant which grows in a altitude of 10,000 feet and above.
Okay, in the colder area.
In the colder area, not only in colder area, in cold desert area.
Okay.
Once you go above 10,000 feet, the survival is very tough for anyone, even for humans, even for animals, and it's true for plant also.
Correct.
Because 10,000 feet and above, if you'll go to Ladakh, you will see barren mountains, barren nude
Yes.
mountains out there.
Yes.
No cultivation, no vegetation is happening. I usually say when a person goes to tough situations, the corrective building of a person happens. When a plant grows in tough situation, that's where the plants become from a normal plant to a super plant. So the climatic condition which are very adverse, the same condition convert this plant from a normal plant to a super plant.
So in any case, for us, all of us, however the tough situation is, you are going to outshine.
Yes.
So is this plant.
So that's how like when we go to tough challenges, that's how our character building happens.
Exactly.
The same is happening. The same theory is getting applied with this plant. How? Because oxygen is very minimal. Environmental stresses there, temperature is going to minus 20, minus 30 degrees Celsius temperature. So in
Okay.
order to survive, this plant makes its root to go deeper into the soil,
Okay.
not only in vertical direction, but also in horizontal.
Okay, so it's spread all over.
It's spread all over. It may happen the plant is over here, but you will find the roots of the plant 500 meters
Okay.
at a distance of 500 meter also. So this plant extract various minerals from the soil,
Okay.
and in order to preserve itself, in those minus degree Celsius temperature, minimal oxygen, environmental stress, it makes different compound within itself, like flavonoids, polyphenols. These all compounds are made so that this plant can survive.
Okay.
But all these compounds, if consumed by human, are very beneficial for their health.
Okay.
That's why what I say is, what plant made for itself, when we consume it, we get lot of health benefits. And as per researchers, there are around 200 scientific researches has already been conducted on sea buckthorn. Not only by India, but by US, by China, by Russia. Various countries have done lot of researches on sea buckthorn, and it has found that in sea buckthorn there are 190 bioactive compounds.
190.
Bioactive compounds. Because to make our body survive, to make our body grow in a positive way, we need lot of bioactive compounds. Why we consume food? The objective of food is to give us those bioactive compounds only, right? Some food can give us 10, some food can give us 20, some food can give us 30, but sea buckthorn has got 190 bioactive compounds in itself over there. That's the reason back in 2019 when we just started working, we got a video of the PM of the country also.
Yes, Mr. Modi has been saying that he's been talking about sea buckthorn. We've heard so much of it. We would like to know from you, how is he taking it further?
Yes, he was addressing Sher-e-Punjab University in Jammu and Kashmir when he has spoken about sea buckthorn, and I still remember his statement. He said a very right statement that sea buckthorn में पूरी मानव जाति की विटामिन सी को खत्म करने की पूरी ताकत अकेले है. मतलब as an individual, it can complete the need of vitamin C of entire globe.
Wow.
This much amount of vitamin C is available in sea buckthorn.
That's such a great thing to know.
That's such a great thing, and he did with very right intent, so that the crop of our country, which is in abundant amount in our country, is not known by people. It should reach people. And that video also made us to work in that. We got hooked. We got more hooked to the idea of sea buckthorn from that particular video.
Indeed. Of course, if it comes from him, if he's authenticated it, not just that he's like, with all the due respect, but the product, the thing itself is so enriched. I think anybody would go and emboss it that this is the right thing, like you're saying.
Correct. And then something comes from the position of a prime minister. There are various credibility checks that has already been done.
Yes.
If it is not done, that will not come from that position, right? So that also contributed as one of our hook to work on sea buckthorn.
It has also been saying that we call it Sanjeevani Booty.
Yes.
The modern Sanjeevani Booty. Did it work for you as well in your life?
How I believed this title of modern Sanjeevani Booty, because initially when somebody would have put it this statement to me, I would not have believed it, right?
Yes.
Because I have been educated in a way where I think, where I look at everything very rationally and logically, right?
Correct.
Because if there is no science behind it, it doesn't seem interesting to me, right?
You've been a science student,
Yes,
and of
I've
course
been a
you
science-
want all the logics.
So I've been trained like that. I have to look for logics and rationality in something which is coming up. So what happened back in 2018 and 19, I got a call from doctor that your mother is suffering from cancer. I was somewhere in another city working out, doing good in my life and building up businesses. And when I got that call, I came back and took my mother to Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Hospital, and that treatment got started, which went on for 1 year. In that 1 year, and that 1 year was my transformation period, where a person who was nowhere worried about health became conscious about health, and that journey taught me one thing. What I learned from that is, let's say if you give health only 1 marks, what is the value of health is only 1, right? And once you put 1 0 in front of it, that is your career, your education.
Right.
Then you become 10.
Right.
So you had good health, your value was 1. You put 1 0 education, your value became 10. You put another 0 job, your value became 100.
100.
You growed in job, right? Got to a good package, your value become 1000. Then you had a good financial security,
And
right?
then
You had a very good financial
thousands.
security, your value became 10,000. Then you growed like anything, you have reached to the position of CXO and all those things, your value became 1 lakh. Or you started up a business and built it up a great empire, your value became 10 lakh. Right? And by the time you are at this position, you are into your 40s or 50s. Correct?
Right.
And suddenly a lifestyle disorders which has been building in your body from a long back popped up like anything and say now it's no more, now it has busted up.
Like that's what I said, that we
Yes.
spend our life, we earn to, we put our health into earning money, and then
Huh.
to when we earn money, we're putting it on the health.
We are putting, and what happened is we reach to that situation where we are worth is lakhs and crores,
Yes.
and then certain issue comes up, a person goes to hospital.
Yeah.
Like it happened with me. I was seeing my mom in cancer hospital, and you know what happened at that point of time, right? It is like that one is removed,
Exactly.
then what is the value of everything? Zero.
Zero.
Once you are in hospital, or any of your loved one is into hospital, the only thing that you want is to come out of there. The only thing that is want. So when I was sitting in that hospital, what came to my mind? What wrong happened with my mother? Why these kind of diseases are coming in her 50s? If it is coming in 70s and 80s, because I've seen my grandfather dying, like he never took medication by the time he was 75.
Yeah.
Right? I've seen my mother's mother, my nani ji, right? My maternal grandmother. She was into her 90s, right? And she was walking, doing everything. And I asked my question, what has happened with mother in 50s? Right?
That's quite sad.
That's quite sad. And I said, the kind of life that I am living today, where I will be when I will be into 40s and 50s. Correct? So the thing that I am ignoring today, I am inviting the biggest problem for myself. And that was the time I started thinking about wellness. And I started reading books. I started going deeper into that, how the body works, what has happened with my mother, how this cancer got generated and everything. And that was a time I came to know about, because doctor said that you give high antioxidant rich diet to your mother.
Okay.
So this was a recommendation from the doctor that came up, so that her recovery can be faster. So that time, before that time, I have heard this word antioxidant on only in green tea advertisement.
Right.
Right? I have never gone deeper into understanding what this antioxidant is, and that was the first time I read one book which I recommend to everyone. What your doctor doesn't know about nutritional medicine may be killing you, by Dr. Ray Stent. It's
Okay.
a very good book. I recommend everyone to read this book. And that's where I found that Sebucton is also one of the very highest source of antioxidants.
Wow.
This book is a must read. And when I read that book, I understood a very good concept which I will love to share in 2 minutes, which
Yes.
is out of the topic of Sebucton, but I will love to share that because it can add value to everyone. That whenever we eat food, our digestive system make it into glucose. Glucose comes into our blood, sugar comes into our blood, and then insulin push it into cell. So एक cell है, it is into cell. From cell, our mitochondria make energy from that glucose. Correct? That glucose is broken up into energy plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is very normal method. But what happens is, in extreme condition, one more element is made into that is called free radical.
Okay.
Now what this free radical is, because this free radical, chemistry says it is not stable. Outermost shell has one electron deficient, right? So this is very stable, and this is very negative compound that is formed.
Okay.
Normally it is formed in our body in limited quantity. But when we eat bad food, when we take bad air, bad water, this free radical production goes high. It peaks up. And when it peaks up, when this free radical peaks up, what it does is, this free radical damage your cell membrane, and when it damages the nucleus of the cell, that cell become mutated cell, means it become a cancer cell. And why your pancreas is not making insulin? What is diabetes? That pancreas has stopped making insulin. Why? Because there is a lot of free radical damage in pancreas. Skin is becoming old. Why? Because there is a lot of free radical damage happening on skin.
Okay.
There is a lot of free radical damage happening in eyes. What is Alzheimer, Parkinson diseases, all the diseases related to brain? A lot of free radical damage is happening in the brain.
Okay.
Now, if there is a problem, there is a solution. Right? If this is enemy, there has to be a friend. So our body friend is antioxidant. So
Okay.
what does antioxidant do? It has one extra electron. It gives to free radical and say to free radical, now bro, don't disturb me. Right? It neutralizes it. So when free radicals are high, antioxidants are less, your body will age faster. Your lifestyle disorders will grow like anything. But if your antioxidant and free radical are balanced, your body will be healthy. And if you have more antioxidant than free radical, then what is going to happen? You will control your age.
Great. That's a
So
great
this
news.
is the concept. Then I understood, okay, now why doctor is recommending antioxidant to my mother? This is a theory. But now the next question that was there in my mind was,
Where can I get it from?
where I can get it from, and why I haven't taken it before. Now I am using it. Once the problem has happened, now I am using antioxidant. But what if I would have given my mother a high antioxidant diet 10 years back? And why and what can happen if I start taking high antioxidant diet from today? I can prevent myself from lot of damages that can come up into my life in terms of health. And I doesn't want to become zero. I doesn't want to go on a journey of from 10 lakh to zero just because one is removed. And that's where I started doing research on antioxidant. I found some of the herbs, some of the plants that have very high antioxidant properties, but they were found in Brazil, they were found in America, US, and that's where Seabuckthorn was also coming in picture and everything got connected. And that's where I found that Seabuckthorn is also one of the very highest source of antioxidants.
Wow.
And I came to know that ORAC value, ORAC means oxygen, free radical, absorption capacity, ORAC.
Okay.
This is like we measure na how much strength we have. So our strength of a particular plant or a fruit is measured that how much capacity it has to absorb free radical. So the ORAC capacity of apple is, we say na apple a day keeps a doctor away.
Yes.
The ORAC value of apple is 4,000 to 5,000. We say pomegranate, right? Whenever we fell ill, doctors say anar khao, right? Eat pomegranate, right? The ORAC value of pomegranate is 10,000. But the ORAC value of Seabuckthorn goes up to 1,24,000.
Seriously?
That means it is 10 times more powerful. It is 10 times more powerful than pomegranate. And
That's such a great thing to
that's
know.
such a great thing. So when I came to know such a great antioxidant properties is there, and to reverse many lifestyle disorders, we need these antioxidants. To prevent them, we need this antioxidant. So I thought now this should reach people, and I understood that there is lack of education and awareness in many people. Many people, they are not only aware about, people are becoming coders, they are training artificial intelligence. You train artificial intelligence, but first you train this body.
Train your body. Exactly.
You train this body. Then I started, for example, let me ask you one question. Where do you live?
I stay in Delhi.
Delhi. But you stay in your body first.
I stay in the body. I stay on my mind.
We stay in our body. We stay in our house where we invest crores of rupees. But what about the body? If this is not there, that houses has no meaning.
True that.
Are we investing? Are we identifying the needs of our body? Are we doing a study? And that where my wellness journey got started. And I thought, okay, this is a time I need to understand this in much more deeper. Help people, let me understand, help my family, help near and dear ones. And then I need to help society by, first point is by educating them that what this concept is. And second is, if something is there available as a solution that is indigenous, that is native to our country, I will definitely become vocal for that. And I will make available it to people in the best format, best quality, whatever comes on the way. Let's do it out. And that's from there we, our trip to Ladakh got started, right? Then we got connected with Dr. Brahm Singh ji, because Dr. Brahm Singh ji was a very senior scientist in DRDO, has worked with APJ Abdul Kalam ji. He was awarded Padam Shri Award in 2014 for his work on Seabuckthorn. Got connected with him, and the kind of conviction he had on Seabuckthorn, because he has worked for 20 years, that conviction got transferred from him to us. And then a journey of Ladakh got started. We went over there, right? Started traveling in Ladakh in different places, started connecting out with the locals, with the scientists who have been working over there, with the different government institution that has been working on Seabuckthorn. And once we saw all that, then it was, then I understood the only challenges, nature has given the best thing to our nation. The only problem is nobody is taking initiative of educating it to the people. And that's why we decided, now if nobody is taking initiative, now we are the one. right?
Wonderful.
We are the one who are going to take this initiative. And this is how the journey of Wellwith got started, that let's become Wellwith by connecting with us.
Wonderful. So that it's a great journey. Like you started with your mom. You know, she fell ill, and of course you reached Ladakh, finding that antioxidant. I'm sure it is, like you said, that it is huge. The value is huge. When I started, I talked about obesity, and I also see that lifestyle disorders. And if I see women these days, they're also suffering with a lot of inflammation thing, just not women, it's with each of us. We've got gut problems. Now, this is um, too much into the rage. People are not, and of course, stress plays its part. Now, how is Sebakton helping us in case it's inflammatory, it's gut health issues, and of course, if you would like to lose weight, does this help?
See, you picked up a very right topic. Generally, whenever it comes to weight management, what people say is cut short your calories, become calorie deficient, right? And that there are two ways to become calorie deficient. First is stop eating less, and the second way to become calorie deficient is burn more calories. But what you would have noticed is even after trying all that stuff, either the change is not coming, or if the change is coming, it's not permanent.
Yes.
It's very temporary, right? You lose few kgs, you
And
lose
then you-
two and gain four.
Correct.
That is what is happening. Because the real cause of that weight is not the calorie deficit or excess calories. It may be the cause, but every time it is not that. Sometimes the reason is inflammation that is happening in the body.
Yes.
And inflammation can be triggered can be because of various what is inflammation? It is an outcome that body is fighting with something. Body is fighting with something internally,
Correct.
right? And the reaction is inflammation, and inflammation brings swelling, right? Correct. And that's put up the weight out there.
Yes.
That can be one of the reason. And how Sebakton help in that inflammation is because Sebakton has got good amount of flavonoids, tocopherol, carotenoids, and lot of many other antioxidants are there in Sebakton.
You also see one of the celebrity talking about inflammation thing, and of course the very renowned Vidya Balan saying
Yes.
that she's lost weight because of the inflammatory diet or whatever she's took that, and like we've got this great thing. It's a great news
That's
that
very
we've
true.
got
That's very true.
the Sebakton with turmeric oil, and if you happen to consume it and you lose weight, I think that's magic.
Because sometimes the reason of the weight, see, the reason of the weight can be many. One, it can be your behavior, it can be your calories consumption, can be the reason. But in today's time, it is not the only reason. If the reason of the weight is not calories, if it is inflammation, then this Sebakton with turmeric oil, then this Sebakton with turmeric oil plays a very greater role.
That's wonderful to hear. Now we see that I see here on the table there are so many products. Udit, I would like to know each product, how is it helping us, and very specifically I would want to know for kids, is it good for our little ones? Can we start like छोटे होते से we give them, when since they are very young, we tell them to have this, consume this, badam khao, walnuts khao. So is it also they can also have this as a part of their journey growing up?
Yes, definitely. So let me introduce with this plant, right? So you are able to see this plant, you are able to see these berries.
Right.
Correct. So this is Sebakton berries. So what happened with this Sebakton berries is this Sebakton berries are very rich in vitamin C. It has got around 60 to 80 times more vitamin C than oranges, right?
Okay.
And it has got vitamin A 3 times more than carrot, right? The orange color is coming because of the carotenoid content, vitamin A content into it. It's very rich in vitamin A also. So what we do with this berry is, with this berries, we plug this berry for the plant, and then we convert it into pulp, right?
Okay.
So we have made this pulp from this berry, right? And this is the purest format of pulp. And the
Okay.
most important thing that we have done is we haven't kept this pulp in plastic bottle.
Yes, I was about to ask you, why this glass jar?
Correct. Because we have not kept in plastic bottle. Plastics are cheaper, portable, they don't break. Glass bottle transportation is also very tough. Why we have kept in glass bottle? Because Sebakton is highly reactive, and it react with the plastic. Specifically, if you are using PET plastic, it react with that. And what happens because of that? All those microplastic come into this pulp. So that's something which was meant for health become dangerous for health. So I recommend one thing, ma'am, that never use Sebakton in plastic bottle. Never, right? Because even you would have seen many people don't store fertilizers and all those things in normal plastic. They store in HDPE plastic. Correct? That's why, because anything which is highly reactive will definitely react with plastic also, no? And glass is the inert thing. That's why even though we get a lot of breakages, lot of challenge, that's why we have tried keeping Sebakton in the glass thing. So that's pulp. What this can do, it can make your skin glow. It's like drinking your skincare.
Wow.
It can boost your digestion in 15 days. And then it can complete the need of all vitamins and minerals and antioxidant that is needed by your body.
Okay.
So one shot in the morning from first village of our country, right? because Thang and Ladakh are the first
First
village of our
village.
country. So what I call as first drink of the morning from first village of our country can fulfill the real needs, and you can start feeling the advantage in 15 days. That energy, everything will come up in 15 days.
Okay.
And if there are certain
And that
lifestyle,
quick is the
that's it. 15 days you will feel the change. And if you're suffering from any lifestyle disorder, 90 days. 90 days is the effective time out there to use it. So what we have done is from this berry pulp. The second is inside berry there is a seed. Correct? There is a seed inside the berry. So from that seed we extract oil.
okay.
Again by supercritical CO2 method. Now some people say cold press. I guarantee that you cannot take oil by cold press technique because that's not possible. Sea buckthorn seed is very small. So we take oil by supercritical CO2 method. Now in this oil there is lot of omegas, right? There is lot of omega. Omega is something which is very important for heart health.
Right.
Omega increases your good cholesterol, decreases your bad cholesterol, and balance your triglycerides. Now the good thing with sea buckthorn is sea buckthorn has got omega 3, which is generally found in fish oil also, omega 6, and that too in proper ratio. Omega 3 and 6 are in proper ratio. If this ratio is not proper, na, that omega can become dangerous also.
Okay.
If you consume more of omega 6 and less of omega 3, it can be dangerous,
okay.
right? So omega 3 and 6 in proper ratio, and one of the rare omega 7. Omega 7 is the beauty omega.
Okay.
It is named as beauty omega.
Oh wow.
खूबसूरत बना दे किसी को. That omega 7 is in highest amount in sea buckthorn.
Okay.
And this omega 7 is very good for skin, heart, weight, and diabetes. And the
Alright.
good thing with sea buckthorn oil is it has omega 3, omega 6, omega 7, and omega 9. So what we have done is we have made this capsule from sea buckthorn oil. You are able to see?
Yes.
Right? I will pick another one. You see. So, and even this capsule has veg shell. So it is pure vegetarian. So you are able to see the oil inside it.
Yes, yes, I can see the oil.
This is sea
And
buckthorn
of course,
oil.
if you can zoom it and show that it has an oil to it, and what a power that I'm having in my hand.
And if you put it out there. So we have added a menthol touch to it. You just put it on your tongue.
I
Right?
can swallow.
You can swallow. You can swallow and you can have it. Right? Today, your omega need is done for today.
So maybe I'm going to glow tonight.
Yeah. But for best result, 90 days are needed. The highest amount of sea buckthorn is grown in China. After China, we are on second number.
Look at that.
And we don't know. So opportunity is going to China now.
Exactly.
China is leading the global market because we doesn't know the value of our own crop.
Exactly. And I can still feel that, that mint flavor in my mouth, and
Yes.
it tastes so well. Of course, when it goes inside, it gives you so many benefits.
Correct. So that's what we have made with oil. Now you are able to see leaves in it. These leaves,
Yes, exactly.
correct? These leaves
Yes.
are there. So from these leaves are also very powerful, right? And in the time of COVID, DRDO has given the tea made from this leaf to all the member of parliaments. Again, it is a
Okay.
very credible point.
Yes,
out there.
indeed. Yes.
So from this leaf, you can make tea,
Okay.
right? It's a very good replacement to green tea
Okay.
because green tea has got caffeine. Sea buckthorn leaves has got zero caffeine.
Okay.
And all catechins and other minerals and also omegas are there in green tea. Correct. So those are there in green tea also. All the minerals which are there in green tea, it is there in sea buckthorn leaf tea also. So just you have to take a cup of boiling water, put leaf tea into it, steam it out for some time, and then you can.
Just like we see it in China, they have those Chinese tea.
Yes.
And it is a staple diet for them. They're usually having tea, they're sipping tea every moment. Like if you go to some shop or any office or anywhere, any part of China, you see. So is it exactly like that?
Yes, the tea they are sipping in China are healthy ones, not
Yes,
like ours.
Absolutely. That's
Not like our a combination of milk
Yes,
and
yes.
tea leaves boiled together and taken it to another temperature. Not like that. What they are sipping is healthy tea. Tea was meant to be something for health.
Yes. So it is very, very important for all of us to be aware of the thing. See, we have Udit ji here with an intent that he wants to make everyone aware of the product, which saved his mother's life. At one point of time, he got to know that antioxidants were important for a patient who was dealing with a chronic disease. And since the lifestyle that we all are having, we all have some or the other problem. To actually get over it or to be away from it. We've got such a beautiful product grown in our own country. I think that's one of the beautiful thing, and we're so thankful that we have you here, making us all enriched with this knowledge. And I want to know all. I mean, I'm
Yes.
excited.
Yes, and this is for you, ma'am. It's very good. This can be your night care routine.
Today is
right?
my day.
This is your night. This can be your best night care routine because just 2 drops you have to take and you have to apply it in the night time on your skin.
Okay.
Right, and 10-15 days you will see a different kind of glow that will come up out on the face over there. It is good in various things, right? It is really which can make skin young, and there is no added fragrance into it.
Yeah, that's what I was
Just
trying to
very
say.
natural, just whatever the natural
And
fragrance
the
of
areas here and
Ah,
every
we can massage us taking up the drop. We can massage us under our eyes, on our cheeks, right, on our forehead. This massage we can do, and then we can go to sleep.
so this is a
This
night
is
regime.
this is the night
Okay,
regime.
but I already feel the shine here on my hand. Just a drop that I took, and wow, what a shine that I get.
Correct. And if we are going in out because summers are coming up, so if we are going out, we can use the sunscreen also. We have made sunscreen also using this
Okay.
out there. You can add 1 drop of it in your sunscreen, or you can use it like normal only. Like it is photoprotective. Matlab it will protect you from UV radiation.
Okay, you just put it and okay, you can.
You just put it and
you're
rub
all
it,
set to go out in the
go
sun.
go set it out. And if you don't want that stickiness, then you can go with sunscreen also. And 1980s Russian cosmonauts, they were given 2 things. One is pulp, which
Okay.
was to be consumed for relieving from stress, and they were given oil to be applied so that they can protect themselves from UV radiations. So this nourishing oil, we call this as nourishing oil. It's really nourished the skin out there. And you were asking for kits. So kits, we can give this pulp also to kids. We can give this oil also to give kids. Like we can take out Seabuckthorn oil and we can give to kids, because for brain development of kids, omega is must.
True.
Right? So that we can do, but to have the taste, because kids taste is very important. So what we have done is we have made gummies. Correct.
Wow, what a
So-
great form of having
So
it.
so we have made
No, I
gummies.
think kids would never say no to it, and also like we always tell them not to have chocolates
Yeah.
all day. So is it like just one gummy, or they can have 4, 5? Like
We can have 2-3 gummies in a day.
Okay.
That's okay. Kids can have 2-3. Adult can have more also. Two to three gummies out there. So whenever kid asks for toffee, you give them this.
oh, that's a
Right.
great
And
thing.
in my family now, my kids are there. So my kids, I have got twins which are 4-year-old. Right. So now they don't ask for toffees. They come
They
to
ask
me.
for gummies.
They ask for gummies. Dad, where is your Seabuckthorn gummies? Right. Where is
So
your
they are your
Seabuckthorn?
good promoter. They're already telling. So we would like to have gummies, and they're promoting it.
Yes, they are promoting it, and they love the taste, because for kids, taste is very important.
Exactly.
And it should happen. See, taste and guilt comes together, right? When you have taste, then you have guilt, and specifically when you are giving something to your kids, where they are eating ice cream, so you are feeling bad. You are giving toffee, you are feeling bad. You are giving chocolate, you are feeling bad. So this is like a guilt-free taste for kids, which is in itself bringing good health also.
Absolutely, and it tastes so well. I mean, if you ask me, I can eat the entire box by my own self. I
Yes.
wouldn't give it to my own child,
yeah.
but because it tastes so well.
It tastes so well.
And the best part is, if it is tasting so well, and it is giving us good health. I mean,
Sugar is not there.
and there's no sugar. Wow.
FOS, it has FOS.
Okay.
FOS is used to, but that sweet taste is because of FOS.
Okay.
And FOS is a prebiotic fiber also. Matlab, it is very good for gut health also.
That's a great thing.
And
And now another box opening. Wow.
yeah,
I'm excited.
you are excited,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So now this is the new form that we have brought, which was loved by sharks also. We have shown in
Okay.
Shark Tank. Now some people said, I want something which is portable.
Correct.
I can keep my antioxidant shot. Udit, okay, you explain what antioxidant is, but my antioxidant shot should be in my pocket.
Pocket.
Right, so we have made this pocket.
Wow.
So this is one shot you kept, keep it everywhere. Whenever you feel, you can just use it like this. This is one thing. You have to squeeze it like this,
Oh wow.
and this shot comes out.
That's wonderful. I mean,
Right.
that's very handy to carry, and
That's
of course,
very handy, because
you just have to press it, and of course, this is all
This
good.
is there. So for example, if glass bottle we can't carry,
You
this
can't
is something,
carry it, yes.
This is something which we can carry, which we can carry and which we can keep it out. Right. So
Another
will-
shot is ready.
shot is
Today
ready.
is my day. I'm going to be very healthy and happy.
So would you love to take?
I'm already having a
so I
gummy.
will- I will
yes,
take
yes,
this
yes. I think that's your staple diet. I think how many times that you drink?
I generally drink 2 to 3 times a day.
Oh wow.
Over there. So I generally prefer it along with my meals. because it helps in digestion also. Sometimes people have issue of bloating and everything.
Oh,
That
wow.
also goes away with it.
That's a great thing.
That's
That's a
a growth.
great
So
thing.
I always consume it with food. Sometimes that black particle is also comes up. Many people ask that the black particle is there. So that slight black particle is the seed, because when we are
Acha.
pulping, that seed also get crushed, and because of that, fiber is also there in this. That seed is coming.
I had the chance back while we were discussing. I had the chance to have this, and the taste is so tangy and it is so yummy that it still tastes. Like, I could recall of it.
That memory of taste will come up, right?
This always
That
comes up,
memory
and
comes up.
I love the gummy. I'm taking it home for today for sure. Now, now this the entire thing. It is becoming a part of our life. Like if I see, if talking to you, also tasting it, I'm loving it. Now I think kids, I would like to talk about the younger ones. uh, like I said in the studies also, that they are getting obese. Now how should we tell our kids that, make a part of this, make this a part of your life, you can lose weight, you will be more active. Like बचपन में हमें कहा जाता था च्यवनप्राश खाओ, it had a lot of nutrients, उसमें भी ऐसा था कि आप active रहो. क्या is it exactly the way it was then? And
Yeah, see, I think today need is more, right? The generation where our parents grew up, the generation that was the best, where we grew up, and the next generation that is coming up, their lifestyle is more sedentary like us, right? We still used to play. Their lifestyle is quite sedentary. So yes, this is something which has to be included in the diet of kids. In our family, we have included it,
Okay.
right? Because if they will not get proper nutrition, because in olden times we were very confident about the food we are eating. Now even cooking the healthy food for my kids, I'm not sure कि इसमें nutrition है कि भी नहीं है. Even we are giving them healthy things, but the nutrition is there or not, that is also the point. Because the way the crops are grown, they are nutritionally empty.
correct,
So they are consuming, they're consuming good vegetables, but vegetable is nutritionally empty.
correct,
That's where I need to bring something into the lifestyle which is pure, no additives, no preservative, coming from the purest part of the country, right? And which has got lot of nutrition, because every batch is getting tested, right? We test it for heavy metal every batch, right? For every batch we test whether 7 heavy metals are there or not, right? And there are 254 parameters that we test for Seabuckthorn, right? To check it out, every batch by batch we do that. So I'm damn sure I'm not testing that capsicum. I'm not testing that vegetable. Okay, I am using it for my kids. But something which is tested, which I'm testing, which is pure, right? Which I know is coming from the best place and has got that nutritional profile, will give that nutrition to my kids, which will help them grow. So and specifically omega-7 is abundant amount. So their brain development, omega-7 is needed.
they have this habit of having fizz drinks, so we can replace this with those drinks, and they can have the drink plus also enjoy it, and of course have a health benefit.
Correct. And what we have started doing in is, whenever any family members, whenever any guest comes to our house,
You give
what
them,
we did is, you drink cold drink, right? We give them cold drink or fizzy drinks, right? You drink this, you drink that. So you are not offering that drink to them. It's like you are offering a small fractional percentage of poison to them. Will you love to give fractional poison to someone who is coming to your home, right?
course
I
not.
don't believe so. Now we have stopped that. We started giving them Seabuckthorn juice as a welcome drink, and the good thing is they are amazed also. Wow, something new happens. This is there. So it's new, and it's new for the people. The taste is new. The thing is new, and initial kickstart with the guest also happened for Seabuckthorn. So now this Seabuckthorn is our welcome drink, right? If you come to our home, our welcome drink is what?
Wonderful.
Our welcome drink is Seabuckthorn.
So we've also heard that your product is #1 on Amazon,
Yes.
and
And
please tell us how it became one.
that's the love of people. That's a great word of mouth that has happened. I still remember 2024 we came on Amazon. Initially we were doing going to parks, apartments, and that's how we were educating everyone. We came on Amazon, and when we came on Amazon, there was nobody knew about Seabuckthorn, right? There was no product available on Amazon on Seabuckthorn. And when we met people around us, they see, when you try something, every criticism also came up. So some people said you have chosen up a wrong commodity, right? Nobody knows about. There is no market
Yes.
of it. Then we said, okay, no problem. Let's educate and today we feel very good that all the entire juice category, you find any juice, in India that is sold on Amazon is on number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. The biggest to biggest brand also. We are on number 1
Wow.
continuously from last 6 months.
I am so sure the kind of quality it has to be number one.
We are number 1.
It should become a national drink, I'm sure.
It's and it is going to be. And on juices that are on number 2, number 3, they are sugar. There's no sugar. This is actually juice, calling it juice.
Wow. So, seeing you, Udit, and the kind of passion that you carry, I am really, really happy that I could share this stage because somebody who's so passionate for his work, and it's not that you're just filling your pocket, you're also thinking about the society, you're talking about kids, you talked about inflammation, obesity, and of course, very prime thing that I would like to know.
My objective is very simple. You take it from well with, you don't take it from well with. But if there is something good in nature,
Take
which
that.
is available in our country and has got properties which can solve the problem, just take it. Right? If we can spend 30 rupees a day on a tea, on a fizzy drink, why not on our health? If something is giving and it has got that properties and it is coming from the purest part, plus every sip that you have taken has contributed to the farmer, harvester and plucker that is in Ladakh. How can I help the border area of Ladakh? I can't join army and fight over there. But if I can uplift the economy of one of the remote location of our country, which has very tough climatic condition, right? That's the passion is. I still remember with the people who we started working, they used to run puncture shop. Now they are getting awarded by Mr. Amish Shah ji. This is the kind of micro entrepreneurs that has been created in Ladakh. After tourism, Seabakthon is becoming the next second largest industry out there in Ladakh. And I still remember the line of Brahm Singh ji that Udit, Seabakthon is the gold mine. But what we have done in last 20 years is Ladakh has been sitting on gold mine. But now the time is changing. And I feel really great that if it is happening by the education brought by Velvet, so we will always feel proud for our entire life
Exactly.
that we picked up a good thing, we build it up a supply chain, we popularize it. मतलब ऐसा होगा कि हम लोग चले जाएंगे तब भी लोग सीबकथॉन पी रहे होंगे,
Legacy रहेगी.
इसकी लेगेसी रहेगी. और ऐसा तो नहीं था like this Seabakthon is not grown today, it is there from the day our country became independent. My question is why in last 60-70 years it has not reached people? Because that initiative was missing, right? And that's where I feel really good that see, it's everything is God plan.
Yes. It's
सब कुछ
God's
वो
plan.
it's God plan and God has planned through us to let this get executed. And I think so this is the biggest blessing of the God that we have.
Absolutely. It's the greatest blessing that you have. And it's a blessing for all of us who are watching. And those who are not even watching, I really recommend, please make sure that this video reaches everyone, because the message is very clear that we want to promote this plant which is called Seabakthon, that's called the super fruit, which is called the golden berry of Himalayas. It should become a part of our life because it has got enough to serve us healthy. Towards the end, I have a last question. Like you've been saying that Ladakh people are having so much that we can go and cultivate. People who are still having, people have money, they don't have ideas. So what is your message to them?
So if you have money, you don't have ideas. See, ideas. What I believe is when you are looking for something very badly, universe will get connected to you. And if anybody is looking for opportunities to work in Seabakthon, we are always there to help them out. You can reach out to us. We can always help them. We will always love to collaborate with the people who have the same passion that we have or taking this crop. Our vision is very simple. Through the Seabakthon, the first objective is, some people said take it to US and UAE. No, we didn't that. First, our own countrymen should use. They
Yes.
they should get the benefit. The second objective of ours is that we will make this Ladakh drink to become global drink.
Exactly. I wish you all the luck, and I wish to be a part of this journey. Via you, I would want to be the part saying that please make Seabakthon your lifestyle. Thank you so much, Udit. It was wonderful having you here. You're just not a great entrepreneur, you're a great human as well.
थैंक यू एंड आई विल लव टू से सीबकथॉर्न के लिए मैं एक लाइन बोलना चाहूंगा,
जी।
जो पी गया वो जी गया।
अरे वाह!
जो पी गया वो जी गया।
वो मेरे को लग रहा है, कुछ मैं महसूस कर पा रही हूँ।
हाँ, जो पी गया वो जी गया। एंड
Yeah.
15 days, just regular consumption for 15 days will give you absolute results. मतलब you will feel the difference in coming 10 to 15 days. That's what I promise.
Okay, wonderful. So just 15 days you can transform your life. Here's Simran signing off with a taste in my mouth of this wonderful gummy called Sea Buckthorn gummy. You can also have for your kids. And what are you waiting? Quickly Amazon pe jaएं and get your the entire range.
Wellwithlife.com also. Our website is
Yes,
wellwithlife.
the website is wellwithlife.com.
WELLLWITHLIFE. Life.com.
Wonderful. Thank you so very much, Udit. I am so happy to be here. Goodbye. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. That's the need of the hour. Bye bye.